Parked in a handicapped spot with tagged clothes in her car, why would a retail theft suspect try so hard to hide her identity? In Waukegan, Illinois, Lake County deputies responded to a Lululemon store after reports of an active shoplifting suspect. When questioned outside, the woman gave the fake name Shakira. She handed over a state ID instead of a driver's license. Deputies spotted tagged apparel inside the vehicle. The car matched the description of one linked to recurring thefts.
Shakira, S-H-E-K-Y-A. What's the problem?
All right, I got to see your driver's license.
You got IDs in the car?
Don't close the door.
Don't close the door.
Don't close the door.
Okay.
You hit me. That's battery of peace officer. Step out.
I'm not.
Okay.
Just grab your purse. Step out of the vehicle. Step out of the vehicle, ma'am. I'm not going to ask you again.
Okay.
Step out.
Okay.
Step out of the car.
Actually, can you check? Can I check it now?
Give me the car keys.
Huh?
You're going to give me the car keys. You're not getting back in the vehicle.
Okay, can you check it on?
There's clothes in here with tags on it.
Huh? There you go.
Can you tell me your full name?
Shakira.
Give me 1 second. I'll be with you, all right?
Okay, that's fine.
I might be telling the truth. It's okay. Listen, ma'am. I just need you to relax.
I'm
Okay?
just putting on my pants.
I
I'm not trying to
understand.
know that.
Listen. I'm just going to run this, okay? We've gotten a lot of complaints from this store about thefts, okay? The vehicle matches the description of the vehicle that's been constantly robbing this place, okay?
Robbing?
Yes, ma'am. Listen.
That's
There's a
fine.
couple things we have to verify first. You understand?
That's
All right, so I just need you to take a deep breath, calm down, let me run this, I'll verify that it's you, and then we'll kind of go from there, okay?
Can I go back and pay for my stuff?
Just wait 1 second.
Let's just wait here.
Ma'am, if nothing comes out of this, you're free to go on your way. All right, I just need you to calm down, okay? All right? Why are you parked in a handicap spot?
I don't know. I just parked.
What?
I just parked. I didn't even think.
You didn't think?
No.
You got any other kind of identification on you by chance?
No.
No, this was it? Because you understand this is an identification card, right? Saying a driver's license.
It's identification card. Am I able to open the door?
10, so you give us 20.
Am I
It's all about just...
so I can get my other ID?
Ma'am, we have to kind of ask you these questions first, okay? Because there's a lot of implications to what can and cannot happen, you know what I mean?
Okay.
That's why we have to run our course and why we approach you in the manner that we did, okay?
Okay.
All right? This is an identification card. This isn't a driver's license. You're aware of that, right?
Yeah.
You understand that it's an ID card, not a driver's license. And you drove here.
Yes.
Okay, you understand how none of this is making sense to us? You don't have a driver's license, you drove here, you parked in the handicap spot.
I apologize.
I mean, it's not something to apologize, we're just trying to understand the train of thought. You understand what I'm saying?
I was just trying to go in and out, and that's it.
I'm letting you know right now, at the moment you're detained, okay? You're not free to go. Right? I need you to understand that. Okay? Because if you had decided to start the vehicle and drive off...
Why would I drive off if y'all right here? I wasn't going to drive off.
Because you were trying to get into the vehicle, you know what I mean?
You asked me to get my ID.
Yes, ma'am, but you don't have to sit inside the vehicle for that, you know what I mean?
I wasn't going
It's okay. Just give us a second, all right?
But what am I being detained for?
Because we have an ongoing active investigation regarding the Lululemon, this vehicle that matches the exact same description.
But is it the exact same, like...
It's the vehicle.
It's the vehicle.
In question.
Okay, but this is not my vehicle. This is my...
I understand that.
Can y'all grab my phone for me so I could call somebody then?
Just give us a second.
Okay. Come on, sit down.
You can have a seat on the curb if you would like, yeah.
So wait, you can't sit down then, right?
Huh?
She had that procedure done? Can you sit down?
Yeah, I could sit down, but on some stalls.
The something that were attached, did they come back to anything else? We're still checking. Definitely.
Mike, are you going to be good out here? Can I go back in the store?
Yeah, okay.
Let me just go inside real quick. All right, ma'am.
What you got?
So...
They talking about I'm being detained.
Yeah, that's right.
Yo, yeah, that's definitely her. We got her.
I'm not going nowhere, I promise you.
Under Pennsylvania v. Mimms, officers conducting a lawful detention may order occupants out of the vehicle. Store employees positively identified her from surveillance footage. Deputies moved in and secured her in handcuffs.
Yeah, it's a positive idea. Okay, it's a positive idea. I'm going to detain her right now. Ma'am, I need you to step over here, please.
It's
I need you to
I'm
step
gonna call
over
rescue.
here.
I'm gonna call rescue for you.
Okay.
Okay.
Let me just put this in here, please. I'm sorry.
You're fine.
I'm saying to him, he's looking like.
Oh.
You're detained at this moment. I want you to understand that.
You already told me that. I was fully aware that.
Well, like handcuffed detained.
Oh, okay.
Go ahead and stand up.
Okay.
All right, go ahead and stand up.
Stand up.
Okay, I'm
I'm not going to ask again.
Yeah, come on.
Why you
Stand
did
up.
it?
Wait, I'm gonna call rescue. They're gonna figure that out. We're gonna work with you on that. Why don't you stand up? Stand up. And
Stand
I'll
up,
get rescue.
ma'am.
Oh,
I'm not going to ask again.
Okay.
Turn around.
Okay.
Okay, can I put this back?
Face him. Face him.
Okay.
Turn around right now.
Face me.
I'm facing you.
Back a little bit so I can shut the door.
No, you're not doing this. You're not doing this. Mike, grab her. No.
Come on.
We gotta pull him.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Some unknown medical reason.
Hey! You cannot do
Listen,
that.
hey,
Get up.
you've been cool with me, right?
Yes.
Then continue that. Turn
Okay,
over.
okay.
Turn over.
I'm finna get up.
Turn over.
Can you help me up?
Turn over.
Okay, can you help
Listen,
me
I'm
up?
telling you, it's gonna hurt a lot more if you turn over. It's
Yeah,
gonna be a
you-
lot easier for you if you just sit up. I'll have you sit down here, but you are detained, okay?
Okay, but
hey, you've been cool with me, right?
Listen, can I pull this
Okay.
up? Listen,
Yeah.
listen. You can look
You'll
right.
pull that up?
Yes, I'm just.
We're not trying to
look it up.
Just pull that up.
I'm talking about this.
Pull this up.
Listen, okay.
Pull that up.
You see?
Okay, pull this back
Okay.
up. Pull that back up. You've been cool with me, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Is he
continue
home?
that.
He acting crazy.
Just continue that. Pull your pants up.
Okay.
Pull your pants up.
My pants.
Yes. Pull
Okay.
it up. You're not making it easy for yourself. You're really not. You're really not.
We know who you are, ma'am.
So,
What are you talking about?
Come here. Give me your hand.
You have multiple
Are you
Okay.
able
retail
to
thefts
sit
that
up?
you've
You able
committed.
to sit up?
Yes.
Stay there.
Can I sit up?
Stay there.
Can I sit up for a second?
Put your hands behind your back. I'm not gonna ask you that. You've been cool with me, right?
Yes.
Then continue that. Continue that way, right?
Yep. Can I pull my pants up?
I told you to pull it up before.
Okay. What are you doing?
Hey,
Give me your hand.
Don't a woman supposed to be doing this?
No, that's not how this works.
Nope.
Yes, but I don't.
Do not resist
Can you
arrest.
put the cuffs on me? Cause
I'm trying to.
please,
I'm trying
can
to.
you come and put the cuffs on me?
He's not going to do that. That's not how this
I'm
works.
trying to. You're not letting me give you your hand. You're not letting me get your hand. So
Can you please put
let
the
this
cuffs on
let this
me?
go. I'm trying to.
I'm talking about you.
I know. That's why I'm grabbing your hand.
Okay, huh? Here you go.
So let's go. Oh, don't.
Oh, what?
Let
Wait, how you doing it?
I'm trying to
we're
do
not
that.
doing this.
I'm not
We're not
trying to
doing
do
this.
that.
I'm asking you. Hey, ow! You hurting me.
No one's hurting
No
you,
one.
okay?
Come on.
You are.
You're
Give us the
making
other-
this
give us
harder
the
on
other
you.
hand.
You are.
Call another one. Call another unit.
72. If we can get another unit here, please.
Let go of your hand. I'm trying to cuff you like you said, right? You want me to cuff you, right?
Yes, I don't want him touching me. I'm
Grab
bleeding.
that hand, man. Just grab that hand.
I'm bleeding.
We're not going to be. We have to move her out of this crevice.
I'm bleeding.
It's not
Let's
going
go.
to.
Okay,
Let's go
can
by
I
here.
get up?
Get up.
Okay, listen, I'm finna get up. You ain't gotta pull
I'm
me.
helping you, I'm
okay,
helping you, I'm
listen,
helping
can I grab onto your back?
Grab onto me. It's fine.
Okay.
Ready? Now turn over.
Now,
Face the vehicle.
Turn over.
Face the vehicle.
There you go. There you go.
Now this is all messed up. Hold on.
what am I being detained for?
Retail theft. I told you that already.
What the?
I gotta undo this, okay? So it doesn't hurt you, okay?
Well, you the one that put it on me like that. You acting like a idiot.
Stop.
Don't be
Like what the
moving.
fuck?
If you don't be quiet, they're going to make it hard. Okay.
Wait, let me fix it. Sir.
Stop!
I got my shit's bleeding. What the fuck am I gonna do?
Resisting!
Stop.
Do not!
Stop.
Stop!
Hey, you don't need your hand down there. Let me just put your pants on.
Thank you, man.
Just listen to the men.
Don't move because it's gonna lock and it's gonna be tightened. Okay?
Okay.
Don't move.
Don't move, otherwise it's gonna hurt.
It's gonna tighten.
Do not move.
We're
We're gonna have to take her back to the squad car.
gonna go this way. We're gonna go over here.
I'm trying
Get her in there.
I'm trying to help you. Wait, I gotta sit on some soft.
No, you're
No, we're
sitting
not
there.
doing that.
We're not doing
We're not
that.
doing that. Lay
Sit
down.
down.
If you
I
got.
can't. Why you being so? Why you acting like that? I didn't do shit to you.
Hey,
you don't even know me.
Hey, yeah, I don't have to know you.
Okay, don't
Get in
act
the
like that
vehicle.
to me.
Hey, if you got
I
lay
didn't
down.
do shit to you.
Hey.
I can't sit on my butt.
I'm saying you drove here. You sat down.
Yes, not on nothing hard. It's hard as hell. That's soft.
We don't got anything soft like that.
I've been cooperating
Here, I'll go
with
get
y'all
them.
this whole.
The moment cuffs were produced, the suspect collapsed to the pavement. She wedged herself against the car door and screamed. Under Graham v. Connor, deputies applied objectively reasonable, empty hand control techniques to overcome her active resistance. What dark criminal history was this suspect trying to hide behind her sudden medical claims and fake name? Investigators uncovered her true identity as Khadijah Terry, a career offender with extensive multi-state felony convictions. Her record included faking a pregnancy, leaping from an ambulance, ramming police squad cars, and serving 7 years in prison. Under Illinois law, she was charged with attempted retail theft, resisting a peace officer, and obstruction of identification. She also received citations for unauthorized handicap parking and operating a motor vehicle without a valid driver's license. Just months later, Terry engaged in another mall retail theft. While fleeing, she crashed an Audi Q5 into an SUV and later received prison time. Lesson learned: giving false names and feigning medical distress will never deceive law enforcement. It only piles on serious obstruction felonies. What do you think of the deputy's handling of this combative arrest? Let us know below, and don't forget to like and subscribe.